Something's been making noise in the chimney, but it might be Santa. What's that? This year, Santa didn't visit me. He didn't give me any presents. So I thought, when I heard the rustling in that chimney, maybe he remembered me. But then I went there, and it was a freaking squirrel looking at me, laughing at me, saying, "You don't get presents because nobody loves you." And so now I just want to get that darn thing. Come on, get out of there. I don't want you. I've got my squirrel catching jar and my gloves. Also got my grandfather's squirrel hunting hat. I don't want that squirrel to jump on my head and eat my brain. And I'm afraid it might bite off my mustache as well. So I've got this Bigfoot mask that I also wear to help protect my beautiful face. My arms are too short. I didn't want to have to do this, but you're making me desperate. Look, I must have knocked it out of the chimney with the gunshot. Apparently Santa did come for me. He left me this present, but must have gotten stuck in the chimney. Santa does love me. Oh boy. What is it?